Okay, we're back again with the 1/16 scale KW K900 Aerodyne. I so far I didn't do that much. I did, for starters, get rid of this at the top right here. I didn't want it, so I got rid of it. I put two tanks on. I didn't put the other two on, which belongs on the other side. Reason I gotta make repair. I gotta put brackets on the large tank that I made that kept dropping every time I painted it. I'll do my painting outside, and every time I stand it up on a piece of cardboard, that the thing kept falling off. So I'm on my second, maybe third attempt with it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get it done. But I had to put it on this chassis just to get a good idea on how it looks now. I gotta paint this over again. I'm going to strip all this bare metal foil off, which it does look good, by the way, but it could look better. There's a tank that it normally came with, battery box, and I'm gonna have to push the entire cab assembly forward because if you can see, the chassis kind of like sticks way out in front of the grill. And I just can't have that. And something else that I decided to do, since I thought about doing a frame for the door, what I now decided to do, since I saw this on a video of a truck, it had the doors going all the way down here at the bottom of the cab, but the floorboard will still be at the normal door level. But the door is going to go all the way down here, so I'm going to cut these pieces away, make them flat. I'll make them flush to this all the way down here and all the way down here. I'm going to scratch build my own doors and the interior part of the doors. So I should have known that was coming. But anyway, I decided to show what this truck should have looked like, and that's it right there. That's the Kenworth W900 Aerodyne. I said T900, I think I did, but it's the W900. And if you look at it, two things you're going to look at. Now, here's what it looks at side view and top view and back view, if you can see that. I mean, it looks kind of simple, but I decided to change that from that to that, which I like better. Now the horns and the clearance lights, horns are going to be on the side of the chassis, probably mounted up against the battery box, between the battery box and the fuel tank, along with the clearance lights, which I'm going to mount them on the visor. I am going to put driver fenders over the drive wheels, which I got to scratch build myself. I haven't started them yet. I got to do some rough sketches and measurements to do that. And anyway, if I flip this around, if you look at this very old engine, notice that the turbo is sitting on top of the engine. Today's engines don't have the turbo sitting on the front; they have them sitting on the side, usually on the passenger side, which I'm going to have mine do. And I'm going to redo all this. I mean, it's probably not going to be. It's not going to look like the usual engine that Kenworth usually has for his Caterpillar engines, but at least it'll resemble something. I'll show it to you real quick. Of course, if I haven't shown it already, that's it right there. I had to paint it yellow as opposed to this beige. So anyway, disregard the mess and everything like that. Like I said, I pretty much work wherever I can. I did the caterpillar yellow that you see on just below it, just hanging, is the air compressor, and the copper mesh is the airline. And I'm just going to redo all of that. So I pretty much had to start off by doing a caterpillar yellow, and I'm going to chrome the turbo. I think I'm gonna leave this compressor white. Not white, black. Let's go with black, right? So anyway, that's how that's going to look. And like I said, I have to do a lot of modifications and a lot of scratch building of my own parts, since this doesn't seem to be a popular size scale model like the 124th or 125th. But anyway, that's where I am right now with this. Like I said, I got a long way. I got to do a step plate, like this right here. I got to do a step plate for this, and take a look all around the back and everything like that. And I'm gonna have drive fenders right there on both sides, and this is gonna look extremely awesome when it's done. I can't wait to get it finished. But I'm probably looking at the end of summer before that happens, and we are just entering May. So basically I got until September, or until I move into a house instead of this townhouse, which by the way isn't that much space compared to what I moved out of. But anyway, back to this. This is it right here. The KW W900 Aerodyne. Going from the simple conventional to the conventional condo, which is a lot better. So from that to that. Anybody got any comments, suggestions, criticism? Go ahead. I'm open for criticism, and don't ever take it personal. I'll just pretty much take it at face value. And here we are. So here I am about to sign off. I wasn't about to do the long video anyway because, well, I really didn't do much now. I really didn't feel like doing much now. I got other things I got to do. But I think I'll start on this sometime either Saturday evening or Sunday morning. Well, no, not Sunday morning. I got to go to church Sunday morning. That's the time to really worship the Lord and our Savior, who put us on this earth. And we all must give him thanks to what we do have and what we're about to have. If I said that right. Probably didn't. But anyway, I'm going to go. Y'all take it easy. Peace.